Yeah, we back, man. Back up in here with another one, and we back. We still at art and speed, man. Please enjoy, but do not touch the vehicles. Try to, man. Hey, look, I'm trying to talk over this music. Yeah, man. Well, another Plymouth. I don't know what this one is. What is that? Plymouth. It's a super stock. Y'all ever seen this? Plymouth super stock? I gotta get that on the reels. I bet y'all ain't never seen that one of these. Y'all boys don't know where that stuff came from that y'all got right now. These new cars y'all got. What they say? What they say? 1963 Plymouth Savoy Super Stock. All these Hellcat Super Stocks y'all got now, it's probably where it came from originally. Y'all didn't even know that, did you? See? Y'all just buying stuff. Young whippersnappers. Yeah, man, so I think I done showed y'all every car in here, man, at this point. They got to cut the power off back here. I think I done showed y'all every car in here. Well, I got two cars up there that I ain't showed. It's that Vet and that orange Mustang. I'm gonna run back here real quick and look at this Trans Am again back here, because it got the same hood. It has the same hood and the same hood and the same bumpers, same back wing as mine. So let me go back here. I'm gonna just give y'all a pan, man, while I'm walking back here. What's going on? Y'all get in the comments, man. Tell me what's y'all favorite ride that I showed y'all, man. Yeah, that's a Cadillac, man. V12. Ooh, stop playing. That thing got a V12 in it. Shelby Raptor. I'm finna go back here, man. Y'all tell me, man. Y'all see that Rolls Royce right there? I'm gonna come back and show y'all that Rolls Royce. Come back and show you. Hey, which one of these cars? No, they ain't no Illinois. Which one of these cars is y'all favorite cars, man? Out of all these cars I done showed, I know y'all got a favorite in here. You know what I'm saying? Which one of these cars y'all favorite? I'm finna look at this Trans Am, man. It's a convertible Trans Am, but it got the, well, now the bumper different. The bumper is the Trans Am bumper, but the hood is like mine, and the back wing is like mine. $150 on the dash. I want to look up under there and see they got. I'm trying to see how these molded in. How those how these right here molded in, because I could do it. I could mold them in, but I don't want nobody to be like, man, you trying to impersonate a Trans Am, you got a Firebird. That's why I don't want to do it for real. But I really want to see, you got a screw right here. The rest of it can't. Now I see it's too secure, so I ain't never had a chance to look at a Trans Am to see how they stuff look like. That thing, they're clean. That thing, they're clean. Then they got that Continental back there, suicide door junk. Man, they got all these. I don't know if these Model Ts or what. These Fords though. 3-ton over there. Y'all hop in the comments, man. I need y'all hop in the comments and talk to me. Talk to me, man. Look at this thing. Look at that. They got the ghost flames on that Pontiac. Is that a GTO? What was that? That's a GTO, I believe. I couldn't get over there. I can't get over there. I'm too wide to be trying to. That's crazy. I'm little and I'm still too wide. You know what? I missed it because I was looking at this right here. Yep, that's a GTO. No, it's a Le Mans. I did get this. I got it. It's a Le Mans. Yep. What it got on the dash? This one has 118 on the miles. C6. I think it's a C6, right? Or a C5. This is a C6, right? Yeah, that's a C6. Look at this Rolls Royce. I want to touch it. I just do. But they said don't touch them. Right hand drive though. Y'all know how I feel about that right hand drive. Ugh. Talk to me nice. And the crazy part is these seats right here, how they set up is the same way as the Jaguar setup that I might potentially buy. Look at the wheel. That wheel pretty wide there, y'all. Yeah, man, I'm gonna try to get y'all some footage. I'm trying to get y'all this footage, man. And I'm gonna ask them how often do they get new cars, because they said that well, on the sign it said you know, let's see, Art and Speed is proud to have worked on it. Okay, now they got another sign saying it's 96 vet. Some of these cars, people just store them here. Yes, yeah. How much they want for this car? Man, $16,280. Nah, I won't want that. This is a collector's item though, but I won't want it. Like I'm in. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mister Man himself. Man, I'm coming in here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. To the other stuff, I'm digging that Cobra, dog. It's Cutlass. It's Porsche. I mean, even though it's a little Porsche, this is a collector's item, dude. Like, these are collector's items. This white Stingray with the side exhaust is killing me. Golly, man. Yeah, I know y'all heard that music. I'm just trying to talk loud, so you know what I'm saying, so I don't get hit with none of that. That's a good old stick shift. 4-speed. 160 on the dash. What's on the miles? 6,000 to 8,000 miles. 427. They got that LS in that thing now. Like I said, stuffed up in there. It might be a LS3. That would look like. Look like old LS3. And this, man, that's stuffed in there for real. Got this old Mustang here with the wheels. Look like they sell wheels too. Sell those old classic wheels. I like these wheels. I always have. I like these. Those are the bigger ones. Oh, your rallies down there. Ford Mustang, 32,000. How many miles? 32,000 miles. 3,200 miles since built. But on the dash, it has. It's just the new dash. It's everything digital. Got the vintage air in there. Y'all see it, don't you? Man, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm finna get up out of here, y'all, but I'm gonna pan this around to let y'all see what we got going on here. Man, I hope my camera picked up the sound on all these videos. If not, man, I'm gonna be so pissed. I'm gonna just have to, man, just do something and so y'all can just watch the video, man, see all the cars without the sound or whatever. But hopefully it picked up the sound though. Yeah, man, I'm gonna hit y'all when I get in the car. But yeah, I'm finna go and talk to the lady and thank her again for letting me come up in here. Electronic engine tester. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna thank her, man, for letting me come in here, man, in their establishment and record. See when I can come back and give some more footage for y'all. Yeah. Hold on.